Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn what is an operating system. So you can see that operating system is a system software which act as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware. So it's a kind of a system software which act as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware, because user and computer hardware need to interact with each other. Because when the computer hardware and the user needs to interact with each other, how they can do that? They can interact with the help of system software, which is called operating system. An operating system acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware. So you can say that it manages computer hardware and software resources, and also it provides services to computer program, and also it ensures efficient and fair use of resources like CPU, memory, storage and devices. So you can say that in short, OS is just like a manager of a computer, because it decides which programs run, manages memory, handles files and makes sure everything works smoothly. So this is the key functionality of an operating system. Operating system manages computer hardware and software resources, and it also provides services to computer programs, and also it ensures the efficient usage of system resources like CPU, memory, storage and devices, and act as a manager of a computer, because it has to decide which programs run, how to manage the memory, how to handle the file, and also it makes sure that everything is running smoothly. So this is a key functionality of an operating system. What is the functionality of an operating system? So number one is process management. Operating system manages the process, means you can say that it controls running programs, mean processes. Running programs mean processes, which is running. So second point is memory management. So it allocates and manages RAM. So it allocates the memory and it manages RAM. How the memory management is going to be possible, and also it allocate memory and manages RAM. And the third point is file system management. So it stores and organize files, how the file system will be organized and how it stores. So it also stores and manages the files. And the fourth point is device management, means it controls the input and output devices. And the fifth point is security and protections, means it also controls access to system resources, means it provides security. So no one can access your system, means no unauthorized user can access your system. So it provides you security and protection. And the last point is user interface. It provides CLI, means command line or GUI, graphical user interface, means it has provide graphical user interface, and also it provides CLI, means command lines. Means you can say that you can use operating system as a command line, and also you can use operating system as a GU, means you can use graphical user interface and CLI too, means as you want. So it's up to you, means GUI is easy to use but it's less secure. So CLI is hard to use but it provides security. So this is the functionality of an operating system. It's act as a manager of a computer, because it has to perform multiple tasks, multiple function it has to perform, from the process management, memory management, file system management, device management, security and protection to user interface. So this is all for operating system. I have discussed operating system and its key functionality and how they operate. So this is all for today. I will bring some other lecture in the coming videos.